So this is going to be my first video for the year 2026, and I just wanted this video to be something that can help us set the tone for the year. You know what they always say, whenever you want to make money or whenever you feel the need to make money, you must have a financial projection, how much you want to be making maybe in a week or in a month or in the year, how much you want to make by the end of the year. And these financial projections can actually help you decide on what you need to do and how you need to achieve it, how many clients you need to get to achieve your financial projections. So that is why I'm making this video, for us to be able to set the tone. So in this video, I'll be talking to us about businesses that we can do that can help us make minimum of 1 million naira every month. I said minimum because it can be more. Okay. So this video is going to list 7 business ideas that you can start right now. Okay, January is already gone. I'm shooting this video on the 11th of January. I don't know when it will be uploaded, but at least it should be uploaded by next week. So we've already gone half in the month of January, right? So I want us to start doing this from February. So this video is going to list for us, like I said earlier, 7 businesses that we can do. Now, before I start listing these businesses, I want you to understand one concept, okay? This is a concept that I want to pass across to you guys through this video. As long as you're watching this video, I hope you understand this concept. So the fastest way to make money, especially here in Nigeria, is not just by learning a skill or by learning skills. As people would always tell you, learn a skill. The easiest and the fastest way to make money with any skill or any business is by learning a skill or by doing a business that directly solves another business problem. Now, notice that I did not just say solve a problem. I said that directly solves a business problem. Emphasis on business. Now, if I just talk about solving a problem, you can be solving an individual's problem, just a random person, right? Now, in 10 individuals, it might just be one person that will have that problem that your business can solve. But if your business is solving a business problem, in 10 businesses, there are probably 9 businesses that also have that problem, and that your business or that your skill can solve it. So that means more money coming to you if you are solving a business problem. So that is the concept I'm trying to pass across in this video, that we should start businesses or start learning skills that directly solves another business problem. That is the only way you can make money and scale fast. So every business I'm listing in this video is going to be solving another business problem, not just a random problem. Okay, I hope you understand. This is the real secret to earning big and earning fast. Most mentors, most coaches will never tell you this. They'll just tell you learn a high demand skill. But what are these skills? What are these businesses? Businesses pay for solutions. So don't learn any skill that does not help a business, one, get customers or get clients, or reduces a burden from their shoulder. Anything you are doing that is not reducing a burden from a business owner's shoulder or helping them get customers, don't learn it in 2026 or don't start it in 2026. If you can come up with any idea, or if you can implement any of these businesses I'll be listing today that reduces burdens from business owners' shoulders, then you are one step ahead to earning in millions every month. Okay, so this is the secret to actually earning big and earning fast. Now, if a skill doesn't solve a clear business problem, don't learn it. All right, or don't start it. So in this video, I'll be listing some of these businesses that you can start in February, and you'll be earning monthly. Even if you have the skill or not, whether you have the social media audience or not, you'll be making minimum of 1 million naira monthly. Now, the first business on my list is video creation for brands. If you walk into any brand or any organization today and you say, I want to create content for your business, you are 90% likely to get that job. The only reason why you may not get that job is if they already have someone who creates content for them or who edits videos for them, then that is the only reason why you will not get that job. But if they don't have anybody who is already doing it, honestly, you will get the job. Why? Because content is very important, and it is something that most businesses struggle with today. Business owners know that they need reels, they need short videos, they need ads, they need consistent social media content, but they don't know how to create it, or they don't even have the time to create and edit it. So let's do the business math. If you charge 200,000 naira per brand or content creation and management, and you work with at least 5 brands, in a month, you'll be making 1 million naira. Every month, 1 million naira. Now, how do you get this kind? Most people don't know this. You actually do not need to be active on social media or have a very big social media following. You can walk into any companies in your vicinity, in your area, in your location, visit offices, approach brands physically, send out proposals directly. So if you reach out to these brands personally, physically, just, maybe anytime, even if you are working a 9 to 5, look for any free time or just take a permission, go to any brand. If you're walking on the road, you see signboards, you see contact of brands on signboard, on posters, take these contacts and visit them. Tell them you have a proposal for them and suggest content creation to them. The worst you can get is we already have someone doing it. And if eventually they don't have anyone doing it, you can get the job. What do? You create this content, short form videos. You can give them a package and charge them 200,000 naira per content. Depending on your location, you can charge 100,000 naira and decide on how many clients you want to work with. And before you know it, You are making 1 million every month. Now, if you do not have video editing skills, don't worry. I have a course that explains each CapCut feature under 1 minute. I understand that a lot of people have short attention span. Most people cannot sit down to watch a whole CapCut tutorial of maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. So I recorded every feature on CapCut, how to remove background, how to create moving text, how to add filters, how to give your video cinematic looks or cinematic feel. I created everything. I explained everything under 1 minute. They're about 20 to 30, and I'm even adding more videos in this course. Okay, so all you have to do once you get this course, you can just be watching them. Each video is 1 minute short and very direct, explains every feature for you, very direct. You can just be watching them and understanding how to do everything, how to use keyframe, how to use animations, everything that you need to know about video editing. Even if you are a total beginner, this course will help you to start. Even if you have never edited a video before, you are a total beginner, the course is designed to help you scale fast. Everything you need to know about CapCut is inside. Both short form videos, reels, creative brand content. And as CapCut continues to upgrade, I'll also keep adding new lessons to the drive. Okay, so you don't want to miss this. With this skill, you can create short form content for maybe solar companies, real estate firms, restaurants, service-based businesses. These are businesses that need daily content to stay active. So if you can reach out to these businesses and these brands with this CapCut lesson that I have created for you, you can be able to start this content creation business for brands. Just 5 brands every month, and be sure to make 1 million naira every month. So if you need to get it, just click the link in the description. You can check the description or the comment section and you'll find the link so you can access these lessons. Okay. So the next business solving idea I have is digital advertising. Now, note that I did not say digital marketing. I am specifically talking about digital advertising. And this has to do with advertising on different digital platforms, advertising on Meta, advertising on TikTok, advertising on Google, YouTube. If you have this skill, just this particular skill on how to advertise, we're not talking about SEO now, we're not talking about content creation, just learn how to advertise on these digital platforms. You are on your way to making 1 million naira every month, because businesses need digital advertising. Digital advertising is one skill that solves major business problems. Every business, regardless of the size or industry, has one major challenge. How do we consistently get customers? That is one major challenge. And digital advertising solves this problem. With digital advertising, businesses can reach the right audience, they can generate leads on demand, they can increase sales quickly, they can grow beyond word of mouth. And the truth is, most business owners don't understand digital advertising. They waste money boosting posts. They just click post boosting randomly. They target the wrong people and they run ads without actually understanding the strategy or tracking. Now, if you can help businesses run effective digital ads, you immediately become very valuable. And the same business math that we have for this idea is just like the content creation business math. You can apply to brands to manage their ads, and you can charge them 200,000 naira per month, right? If you are managing ads for 5 brands, you are making about 1 million every month. That is exactly what I'm saying. You can manage brands. This is how you can make money now from digital advertising. You can be an ads manager for these brands. And funny enough, digital advertising is not very hard. If you can help a business to run effective digital ads, you immediately become valuable. If you charge 200,000 naira per month to manage ads for a business and work with 5 businesses, that's about 1 million naira every month. Businesses are willing to pay because advertising directly impacts their revenue. So they are looking for this. In fact, they are looking for digital advertisers. The problem is that there are no enough skilled digital advertisers. The problem is a lack of talent. There are businesses who are willing to pay millions and thousands of dollars in naira just to push out their businesses to more people. You don't need to be on popular social media to get these clients. Like I said, you can walk into offices, you can visit organizations, you can speak to business owners or send proposals. When you clearly explain how digital advertising will help them get more customers and also make more money, in fact, you don't even need to explain much. They already understand this. You will be able to get these jobs. With digital advertising, you can help businesses to generate leads for real estate, clinics, coaches, and even service providers. You can drive sales for product-based businesses. You can promote offers. You can promote launches. You can track campaigns, track results, and scale what is working. Now, this is not just a hobby skill. It is a business-solving skill. Now, for digital advertising, I have also created a course where I outline each digital platform, and they are all under 5 minutes. Now, still, I understand how people have really short attention span, and that is why I broke each platform under 5 minutes. Each strategy is under 5 minutes. Everything you need to know about digital advertising, I have broken everything under 5 minutes, and each video will explain everything in detail for you. you'll be able to understand it in under 5 minutes. You can find the digital advertising course on Google Ads. You can find it on YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Instagram. Everything is contained in this lesson. Okay, you're also going to understand strategies on how to target rightly. I explained that in the lesson. You're going to understand how to set up your ads account, how to connect to your Instagram, how to do everything you need to know about this skill, especially meta advertising. It is all contained in this lesson and you don't want to miss it. The lesson will teach you in under 5 minutes. Each video will teach you under 5 minutes how to run ads the right way with the right strategy, clarity, and real business applications. Now, the lesson is also beginner friendly. Even if you have never run ads before, it focuses on practical steps, real examples, and what actually works for businesses today. You will learn how to set up and manage your ads properly. You will learn how to generate your leads and how to get sales. You avoid wasting spend. You position yourself as a valuable asset for businesses. This is an opportunity to learn a skill that businesses are actively paying for, and you can start building consistent income. If you want to learn a skill that solves a real business problem, can earn you monthly income, remains relevant in 2026 and beyond, this is your chance. Now, the third business idea I have here is appointment and schedule management for busy businesses. Many businesses lose money simply because appointments are missed, calls go unanswered, schedules are poorly managed. You can help businesses by managing bookings, confirming appointments, following up with clients. This can be done remotely, online, and across time zones. This is not customer service, okay? This is revenue protection. Number 4, online order fulfillment and follow-up support. I want to rush with this right now, so I don't take much time. Some businesses get online orders, but they struggle with order confirmation, they struggle with customer follow-up, they struggle with delivery coordination. Now, if you can manage order tracking, customer updates, basic communication, you help businesses to keep customers happy and reduce missed opportunities. Happy customers are repeat customers. Now, digital asset management for businesses. Businesses have digital chaos. That is one thing you should know. Files are everywhere. There's no structure, lost documents. You can also help businesses organize digital files, set up shared folders, create simple systems for access. This saves time, it reduces errors, and improves productivity. Businesses will pay to stay organized even if they don't say it out loud. Now, number 6 is online research and business intelligence support. Business owners constantly need market research, competitor analysis, product sourcing, price comparison. These research are important. Most don't have the time. If you can research and present clear findings, you help them make better decisions. Better decisions equals more money. Now, lastly, admin and operation support done online. Many businesses need help with emails, reports, invoicing, data entry. These are tasks that waste executive time. They delay important decisions. Now, if you take this off their plate, you become indispensable. Now, what's the big lesson in all of these things I've talked about? You don't need flashy skills or flashy businesses to make money. No, you just need useful skills, useful businesses, useful systems. The more time or stress you reduce from a business owner's shoulders, the more valuable you become. So start small, one service, one business, one problem at a time. Then you can build systems, you can hire people, and you can scale. This is how simple services can turn into serious businesses. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please do well to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell notification so you get notified when I post my next videos, okay? You don't miss them. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.